Yun, Happy New Year everyone. This is my touch for 2023 to 2024. Yan. Meron tayong metallic, standard metallic. Then meron tayong Eye of an Eagle. Yan. Then meron tayong Lucis, apat. Daylight. Then 500 rounds sa dalawa, then isang 3,000 rounds na Thunder, Phoenix, and For Sure, and 1 star was Jejerom. Then Whistle Bomb, Eaglet, then mga regular Quitis. Yan, DIY, Quitis DIY, sawa. Then meron tayong mini display, fireworks display, 7-shot bombshell, dragon, then LF red, then isang dragon. Yan. Ito muna yung ating kaputing yun, 2023-2024. Yan. Be safe sa lahat. And advance Happy New Year everyone. And be safe po sa lahat na magpapaputok.